Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue macarons. First, accurately measure your dry ingredients: 100 grams of almond flour and 100 grams of powdered sugar. Sift them together to remove any lumps. For the meringue, you'll need 75 grams of aged egg whites, ideally separated 1 day in advance and left at room temperature. This helps create a stable meringue. Have your baking sheets ready with parchment paper and a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Now let's create the meringue. In a clean, dry bowl, whip your 75 grams of aged egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy. Gradually add 75 grams of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed to high and beat until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. The meringue should hold its shape firmly when you lift the whisk. This stable meringue is crucial for the macaron's structure. Next is the macaronage, the delicate folding process. Add your sifted dry ingredients to the meringue in 2 or 3 additions. Using a spatula, gently fold the mixture, scraping the sides of the bowl. Continue folding until the batter reaches a lava-like consistency, flowing slowly and smoothly off the spatula. This usually takes about 50 to 60 folds. Transfer the batter to your piping bag and pipe uniform 1.5-inch circles onto your parchment-lined baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. This helps prevent hollow shells. Let the piped macarons rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes or until a skin forms. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the trays halfway through for even baking. Check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Let them cool completely before filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.